Salvete omnes. If you'd like to support the channel along with these patrons, there's a link in the description box below. This lesson is a continuation of the founding of Rome. In the last lesson, we heard that the Romans cast out the Etruscan king Tarquinius, and the Etruscans came to war with the Romans. Bellum non parvum fuit. Multi viri magni fuerunt in bello. Etiam rex Etruscus venit cum Tarquinio ad bellum. Rex Etruscus fuit Lars Porsena. Romani viderunt exercitum Etruscum. Exercitus Etruscus magnus fuit, sed exercitus Romanus etiam magnus fuit. Ergo viri Romani et viri Etrusci praeparaverunt ad pugnam. Romani fuerunt ad urbem et steterunt ad pontem. Etiam Etrusci steterunt ad pontem Romanum. Romani iecerunt ignem in pontem. Vir Romanus magnus stetit in ponte. Hic vir fuit Horatius. Sed Etrusci venerunt in pontem. Okay, let's tackle some of the harder sentences. Bellum non parvum fuit. Multi viri magni fuerunt in bello. In these first two sentences, parvus and magnus are antonyms. Magnus means big, but can also be used in a figurative sense to mean great or grand. So these sentences mean, the war was not small. There were many great men in the war. Etiam rex Etruscus venit cum Tarquinio ad bellum. Etiam is a combination of the words et plus iam, and plus now. So we use this word to add something to what was previously said. It usually means also, furthermore, likewise, etc. Romani viderunt exercitum Etruscum. What did the Romans see? An exercitus is an exercised, disciplined body of men. In other words, an army. The Romans saw the Etruscan army. Ergo viri Romani et viri Etrusci praeparaverunt ad pugnam. The word praeparaverunt is longer than its English equivalent, but it should be clear that this means prepared. And a pugnacious pugilist is a boxer that is quick to fight or quarrel. So pugna means a fight or battle. Romani fuerunt ad urbem et steterunt ad pontem. Etiam Etrusci steterunt ad pontem Romanum. Steterunt is the past tense of stare, which, if you know Spanish, this is where the word estar came from. It means to stand, which is why estar is used when talking about location. If you don't know Spanish, you can associate this word with a statue, which just stands all day long. And a pontoon bridge is a floating bridge, so pontem just refers to a bridge. So we have the Romans were at the city and stood at the bridge. Likewise, the Etruscans stood at the Roman bridge. Romani iecerunt ignem in pontem. The word ignis is found in the words ignite and ignition and means fire. The word iecerunt we have seen a few times, like in Julius Caesar's famous phrase, alia iacta est. The die is cast. So this sentence means the Romans cast fire on the bridge. Okay, here's the story again. Bellum non parvum fuit. Multi viri magni fuerunt in bello. Etiam rex Etruscus venit cum Tarquinio ad bellum. Rex Etruscus fuit Lars Porsena. Romani viderunt exercitum Etruscum. Exercitus Etruscus magnus fuit, sed exercitus Romanus etiam magnus fuit. Ergo viri Romani et viri Etrusci praeparaverunt ad pugnam. Romani fuerunt ad urbem et steterunt ad pontem. Etiam Etrusci steterunt ad pontem Romanum. Romani iecerunt ignem in pontem. Vir Romanus magnus stetit in ponte, hic vir fuit Horatius. Sed Etrusci venerunt in pontem. We'll hear how this battle turns out in the next lesson. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and if you can, help support the channel on Patreon, where there are audio downloads and transcripts of each dialogue and story. Gratias!